Merry Christmas, YouTube. We're gonna try and get a Christmas Eve morning flight in. How about that? We're gonna try and get a Christmas Eve morning flight in. It is not ideal, but it's pretty good. The winds are relatively calm. We got a light breeze. Cloud layer is supposed to be 1,000, but we'll determine that when we get up there. Might be just a quick one just to get up there this morning. We'll see. It's a little bit warmer today, so hopefully we get some video made up. My GoPro hasn't been recording in the cold. Won't be up for long, I don't think. Cloud layer doesn't look great. I might try for a reverse launch today. We'll see. We will see. That should be good. Should be good. Well, doesn't look like a good reverse launch now. So long since I did a reverse launch. I don't remember what to do. Of course, set up for reverse and the winds die right off. Up you go, up you go, come on, come on, come on, up you go, up you go, up you go. Ah, have to set up for reverse. I mean forward. There we go. Alright, clipped in, locked in. Wing's not set up incredibly well, but hopefully we can make it work. Whew, here we go. And away we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. The lines were all twisted or tied up there. Damn. Getting pulled to the right. A little tension knot seems to have relieved itself. Damn. But yeah, got up, getting pulled to the right, and the right side was all tangled up. I don't know if there's anything I could have done to prevent that. It looked fine on the ground. Anyway, let's try again. That might be our farmer over there. Farmer Clark. Zipping by. Clear. Good old Adam 80. Up you go, up you go. Come, up you go. No, I went the wrong way. Oh, damn it. Damn it. What am I thinking? Damn. I went to turn to my left instead of my right. Alright, waiting for that wing to move. Alright, let's give it a try. Up you go. Come on. Good. And here we go. That's better. Woo! Lines look better. Nice. Feels better. a little bit of a hard landing, but thankfully we have some snow to cushion ourselves. Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh, there's the coyote. Thought he'd be all by himself today. Who would go flying on a day like today? He thought, nobody. I'm just gonna go look for some food for Christmas Eve dinner. There he is. That's right. Don't come say hello. There's a lot more setup that goes on for winter flying, but I say it's worth it. Like, the conditions are usually better. You get more power, more lift, the air's denser. The view is just gorgeous. Certainly is a privilege. There are things that you see that you would not ever be able to see unless you were doing this. Like, first person anyway. Drone, you can do it, but it's just not the same. Feeling the wind in your face, the engine on your back vibrating away, the smell of two-stroke fuel in the air. How's that wing looking? Oh, much better. So much better. That tangle is pulling me to the right. As I was pulling down on that side of the wing. Could have actually been worse than that, because it could have deformed that side of the wing so that it didn't have a proper airfoil shape stalled out. I mean, it may have released, but I didn't want to mess around with that while in the air. And as you notice, it came right out as soon as the tension was off the lines. So even if I did try in the air, I don't know if I would have been able to relieve enough tension. And then also, do I really want to be untangling a knot or a tangle under tension, possibly damaging the lines? We'll give it a look-see-loo when we get down. Feel up the lines just to make sure there's no breaks. Oh, look, another coyote. Everyone's trying to get dinner for their spouses out on the hunt. I don't know if any of the female coyotes do the hunting. Listen to the hum of my engine, coyote. It's soothing. Come say hello. Don't run away. Just say hello. Of course, I guess if I go down, I don't really want them to become too friendly and come up to me. There he is. I could just do this all day. I can't explain it. It's so calming. And you would think it's not calming to a lot of people because you're up in the air, but if you have the knowledge and the skills to be safe, then you feel safe. A hay bale up in those trees. Why would you go in there? That's used for cover for hunting. Now look at that. Hay bale's off to the side. Okay, so I'm going to retract my statement about being a spot for hunting. Well, maybe not. Maybe it just has different spots. Ducks down behind, waits for a deer. Good spot to lay your firearm. Another one right there. That's got to be it, right, guys? Am I wrong? Where else would you lay a hay bale? Unless it's act as a windbreak, but I doubt it. The trees are there. Treetop buzzing. Don't really want to get much lower. This tailwind and these gusts. That looks soft if we go down. Famous last words. then up again, down again. The winds are definitely picking up. What's all this stuff? More balloons in a tree? It is too. It's a target. It's a big 2. Can we kick it? Can we kick it? Oh, we got it. There she goes. The way she goes. That must have come down when it was warmer. Now that it's colder out, it's got some buoyancy. That's awesome. That's a good indication of the wind. That's how far it's moved. It was in those trees there. The person was either 23 or 32. Happy birthday. Oh, it's out climbing me, but I don't really have full power on either. Alright, let's get away from this barn because I know there's some animals here. Bye, too! Alright, good times. If you ever wonder where those balloons end up, it's places just like that. And I gave that balloon a second life. In other news, I've had this issue with my right eye, and the back of the eye, inside the retina, fills with the fluid, kind of separates from the back, so I get this kind of like little bit of a halo, which I didn't even remember that I had until just now. I was just thinking about it. So it doesn't affect my vision until it gets to be like low light or a certain type of light, and it definitely makes my reading more challenging. The letters get a little bit more blurred. It's happened before, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. Obviously corrected itself, and should correct itself again. Although I went to see the doctor, but just to be careful, just to be sure, safe. And they're going to keep an eye on it. But I asked, what happens if this doesn't correct itself? And if you haven't guessed already, they got to stick a needle in your eye, inject some medicine. I'm like, no thanks. I don't know if I can handle that. Reminds me of the movie. What's it called? Alcatraz? No, not Alcatraz. Oh my gosh, what's that movie? Sean Connery. Anyway, want me to stick this in my heart? Seen the size of this thing? Probably better if I play the clip if I can find it. Anyway, I don't know if I want to do that. It better heal on its own. Beautiful. Anyway, just wanted to mention that. If you have the same thing, that's what's going on. Looks like a little donut. But you can't really see it. It's more as a distortion that looks like a donut. And only in certain lighting conditions. You can see the flag, Canadian flag. It's blowing fairly strong now. Windsock now coming into view for me. Definitely more straight than it was when I took off. I'm gonna get some rotor off that barn, I think. This might not be the prettiest landing. Trying to land as close as possible to the car. Hopefully not get too much rotor. Trims set. Over the power lines, down we go. Gear out. Come on, be good to me. Be good. We're hitting some gusts. And flare, 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 flare. And end it off. And Oh, where are you going, Wayne? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, nice little accordion. There we go. The Merry Christmas Eve flight. Merry Christmas Eve morning flight, I should say. On the Adam 80 with the SEMA Power Small. Had a good time out there. A little bumpy, but nothing we couldn't manage. Hope you have a great and safe holiday. And if I don't get up again, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. And we'll see you in the next one. Give a big thumbs up if you liked it, guys. And subscribe if you want to follow along. Peace. Merry Christmas.